Whether you are just starting out with video or you have been doing this for years, one challenge never really goes away: keeping your content working for you long after it is published. Long-form videos like deep interviews or tutorials are incredibly valuable, but they do not just magically transform into bite-sized viral social clips on their own. If you are running a small team or a studio, trying to manually clip, format, schedule, and track every single piece of content can quickly become an exhausting full-time job. After years of running a content studio, I have tested dozens of systems, and I have found that success really comes down to one repeatable formula. The goal is simple: ensure nothing gets lost, nothing gets missed, and we can scale our output without constantly hiring more editors. Recently, we started layering an AI-first tool called Vizard into that process, and it has completely changed how we think about turning long sessions into social gold. I want to walk you through our entire repurposing workflow so you can steal the parts that work for you and avoid the headaches we faced along the way. Our company produces recurring content like weekly shows and monthly highlights for clients, meaning we are constantly pulling from massive archives of footage. This system might look familiar if you have followed my past videos, but instead of just storage, this is about moving from raw files to finished clips fast. Our workflow relies on 3 pillars: local working drives for edits, a centralized library for safety, and an AI automation layer for clipping and scheduling. Every time we shoot, we follow a strict ritual. Cards are copied, metadata is added, and everything is backed up to our community hub computer. We do not edit directly on this hub. It acts as a central brain that allows us to dump footage from multiple cameras without swapping cards constantly. Once the footage is verified, we move it to our long-term archive, which serves as our safety net should any local drives ever fail. Editing should be fast, so we pull the files we currently need onto portable SSDs that travel between different team members. This is where Vizard becomes essential, as it eliminates the need for an editor to manually scrub through hours of footage looking for shareable moments. We feed our long-form files into the system and let it auto-detect segments with high viral potential and generate clips in various aspect ratios. It identifies the best punchlines and transitions, cutting down what used to be hours of discovery work into just a few minutes. Our daily routine starts by importing camera files to the hub, copying masters to the archive, and setting up the active project on an SSD. While the SSD data transfers, we upload the master to Vizard to get a batch of candidate clips that our editors can then quickly polish. We use a fleet of identical labeled USB-C SSDs, treating each one like a self-contained mobile workspace that keeps our team efficient. If an editor needs something new, they can simply pull it from the hub, which prevents any downtime waiting for massive file transfers. Because our edits live on these SSDs for weeks, we mirror every single drive to another local backup, because losing days of work is simply not an option. We always keep our hub computers on battery backups, because a sudden power cut is the fastest way to corrupt your drives and destroy your progress. Beyond just clipping, Vizard makes the publishing loop effortless by allowing us to schedule posts across multiple platforms weeks in advance. The content calendar gives us a single bird's-eye view of everything queued up, which is a massive relief when managing multiple clients at once. Many ask why we do not just use one massive shared server, but high-performance shared storage is expensive and often fails with remote teams. Plus, many standard editing programs struggle when multiple people try to access the same library at the same time, making our SSD-based system more flexible. We found that while other AI tools exist, many lack the crucial integration between clip generation and actual content scheduling. Vizard hits that perfect middle ground. It provides smarter clip discovery while offering a content calendar to make sure that those clips actually go live. It is not magic, and we still have humans review every clip for tone, but it takes care of all the grunt work and prevents our team from burning out. My best advice is to keep everything consistent with standard folder structures, because that saves you hours when you are searching for files months later. Always track your SSDs with a Trello or Notion board so you never lose track of which drive holds your current project files. In summary, our workflow is simple. Archive your masters, keep a local library, and use smart tools to handle the heavy lifting of clipping and scheduling. You do not need an enterprise server farm to scale your content. You just need a reliable combination of hardware and smart automation. If you are curious about Vizard, just feed it one long interview and watch how it surfaces the best moments. It will make your editing process significantly faster. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions about our specific setup or labeling systems, leave a comment and let's keep optimizing this process together. Let's make creating content less about the busy work and more about the creativity. So keep building, keep shipping, and I will see you in the next one.